Today, we have a very interesting topic that confuses many students, teachers, and even fluent English speakers.
That's right, Emily. Today, we are going to solve one of the biggest grammar mysteries.
The topic is...
active voice and passive voice.
Yes! The two voices of English grammar that make students say, why does this sentence change so much? Where did the object go? Why is by appearing everywhere?
And the funniest thing is, many people use active and passive voice daily without even knowing it.
Exactly. When you say, someone opened the door, you are already using active voice.
And when you say, the door was opened, you are using passive voice.
So today, we are going to clear every confusion.
We will learn what active voice is, what passive voice is, how to identify them, how to change active into passive, rules for every tense, common mistakes, special cases, exam tricks, real-life examples.
So stay with us until the end, because by the end of this podcast, active and passive voice will become super easy.
No more fear, no more confusion, only clear grammar.
George, before we understand active and passive voice, tell us what voice actually means in grammar.
Great question, Emily. In grammar, voice shows the relationship between the subject and the action.
Relationship between subject and action?
Yes, it tells us, is the subject doing the action, or is the subject receiving the action?
So voice tells us who is responsible for the action.
Exactly. There are two main voices. 1, active voice. 2, passive voice.
Let's start with active voice.
Active voice is the voice where the subject performs the action. The subject is the doer. Formula: subject plus verb plus object.
Give us examples.
Example 1. The boy kicked the ball. Here, the boy is equal to subject, kicked is equal to action, the ball is equal to object. The boy is doing the action, so it is active voice.
Another example. Sarah writes a letter. Sarah is doing the writing. Active voice.
Exactly. More examples. The chef cooked the meal. The teacher explained the lesson. The dog chased the cat. All are active because the subject does the action.
Now let's move to passive voice. Passive voice is when the subject receives the action. The focus is on the action or the receiver. Formula: object plus helping verb plus past participle plus by plus subject. That sounds difficult. It sounds difficult, but it is simple. Let's change. Active: the boy kicked the ball. Passive: the ball was kicked by the boy. Interesting. The ball comes first. Exactly, because passive voice focuses on the ball. More examples? Active: the chef cooked the meal. Passive: the meal was cooked by the chef. Active: the teacher explained the lesson. Passive: the lesson was explained by the teacher. Many students get confused while identifying voice. How can they quickly identify it? Use a simple trick. Ask, who is doing the action? If the subject is doing it, active. If the subject is receiving it, passive. Example: the cake was eaten by Tom. Who ate the cake? Tom. So Tom did the action, but the sentence starts with cake because it is passive. Another one. Ali opened the window. Who opened? Ali. Active. Easy. George, why do we even need passive voice? Why not always use active? Excellent question. Passive voice is used when the doer is unknown. The doer is not important. We want to focus on the action. Explain with examples. Example: my phone was stolen. We don't know who stole it, so passive is useful. Another example: the road was repaired. We don't care who repaired it. The important thing is that the road is fixed. So passive is about focus. Exactly. Now the biggest question. How do we change active into passive? Follow these steps. Step 1. Find the object. Step 2. Move the object to the beginning. Step 3. change the verb into past participle. Step 4, use correct helping verb. Step 5, add by plus subject if needed. Let's practice. Active. The girl reads a book. Object, a book. Passive, a book is read by the girl.
Let's go tense by tense. Start with present simple. Active formula, subject plus V1 plus object. Passive, object plus is, am, are plus V3 plus by plus subject. Example. Active, he writes a story. Passive, a story is written by him. Another, she cleans the room. The room is cleaned by her. Remember, writes becomes written. Cleans becomes cleaned. Now present continuous. Active, subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing plus object. Passive, object plus is, am, are plus being plus V3. Example. Active, she is making tea. Passive, tea is being made by her. Another, they are watching a movie. A movie is being watched by them. Present perfect. Active, subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. Passive, object plus has, have plus been plus V3. Example. Active, he has completed the work. Passive, the work has been completed by him. This been is important. Very important. Passive perfect forms usually need been. Past simple is common.
Yes. Active. Subject plus V2 plus object. Passive. Object plus was or were plus V3. Example. Active. The police caught the thief. Passive. The thief was caught by the police.
Notice, caught stays caught.
Exactly.
Future tense,
Active. Subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Passive. Object plus will be plus V3. Example. Active. They will build a house. Passive. A house will be built by them.
Now let's clear common mistakes. First mistake. People forget the third form of verb. Wrong. The letter is right. Correct. The letter is written. Second mistake. Wrong helping verb. Wrong. The book was right. Correct. The book was written.
third mistake,
Changing sentences that have no object. Example. He sleeps. Can we make passive? No, because there is no object.
Great point.
Let's play a quick quiz. I will give a sentence. George, tell the voice. The baby broke the toy.
Active.
The toy was broken.
Passive.
The students are learning English.
Active.
English is being learned by students.
Great. George, many students get confused with modal verbs. Words like can, could, may, might, must, should, will, would. How do we make their passive forms?
Very simple. The formula is object plus modal plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject.
Give examples.
Active. Students can solve the problem. Passive. The problem can be solved by students.
Another one. People should follow the rules.
The rules should be followed by people.
So after modal verbs, we always use be in passive?
Exactly. Remember, can do, can be done. Should write, should be written. Must complete, must be completed.
Now let's talk about commands, like open the door. Can we change these into passive?
Yes, Imperative sentences have a special passive structure. We usually use let plus object plus be plus V3. Example. Active, clean the room. Passive, let the room be cleaned. Another. Write the answer. Let the answer be written. Interesting. Questions are another confusing area. How do we change questions?
The question structure stays a question. We only change the voice. Example. Active. Did Ollie open the door? Passive. Was the door opened by Ollie?
Another. Who wrote this book?
This book was written by who?
A little tricky.
Yes, but practice makes it easy.
What happens when a sentence has two objects?
Good question. Some verbs have two objects. Example, Sarah gave me a gift. Objects, me, a gift. We can make two passive sentences. First, I was given a gift by Sarah. Second, a gift was given to me by Sarah.
So both can be correct?
Exactly.
Now, negative sentences. Example. He did not complete the work. Passive.
The work was not completed by him.
So not stays with the helping verb.
Correct. Another. They are not watching the match. Passive. The match is not being watched by them.
George, can we use passive everywhere?
Not always. Too much passive voice can make writing weak,
Why?
because sometimes active voice is clearer. Example. Passive. The homework was completed by John. Active. John completed the homework. The active one sounds more natural.
So passive is a tool, not something we use in every sentence.
Exactly.
Let's connect grammar with real life. Where do we hear passive voice?
Everywhere. News. The new bridge was opened yesterday. Science. The experiment was conducted carefully. Rules. Mobile phones are not allowed. Instructions. The form must be submitted.
So passive voice is very common.
Yes.
Students also struggle in exams? What tips can help?
First, find the object. Second, identify the tense. Third, use the correct helping verb. Fourth, change the main verb into V3.
Any shortcut?
Yes. Remember, active, doer first. Passive, receiver first.
Many learners forget verb forms.
Let's explain quickly. Sure. V1, first form. V2, past form. V3, past participle. Examples. Go, went, gone. Write, wrote, written. Eat, ate, eaten. Make, made, made.
And passive always needs V3.
Exactly.
Let's try some challenging sentences. The manager will announce the result. Passive. The result will be announced by the manager. Good. Next, someone has stolen my bag. My bag has been stolen.
Why did you remove someone?
Because the doer is unknown. We don't need it. Let's compare. Active. The chef prepared the food. Focus. Chef. Passive. The food was prepared by the chef. Focus. Food. Exactly. Same action, different focus. Give viewers a memory trick. Easy. Imagine a football match. Active. The player kicks the ball. Player is the star. Passive. The ball is kicked by the player. Ball becomes the star. That is actually easy to remember. Audience, try these. Sentence 1. The cat chased the mouse. The mouse was chased by the cat. Sentence 2. She is baking a cake. A cake is being baked by her. Sentence 3. They will complete the project. The project will be completed by them. Before ending, let's quickly revise. Active voice. Subject does action. passive voice, subject receives action. Active formula, subject plus verb plus object. Passive formula, object plus helping verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. Important points. Find the object, use V3, choose correct helping verb. Do not change sentences without objects. Use passive when focus is on action. Wow, George! Today's episode was full of grammar power.
Absolutely. Now active and passive voice should feel much easier.
Remember, grammar improves with practice. Don't just listen. Try making your own sentences. Write one active sentence today and change it into passive. Small practice creates big improvement. And if you enjoyed this complete guide, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more easy and interesting English lessons. And share this podcast with your friends, classmates, and anyone who wants to improve their English. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Keep learning. Keep improving. We will meet again with another amazing topic.
Until then, stay